going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would change out your brake lights as well as turn signals on a 2002 to 2009 GMC Envoy. First thing you'll see is you'll have two Phillips head screws that you got to take out. Pretty simple process to change out your brake lights and turn signals. It'll probably take maybe just a few minutes to do it. We'll have one up top and one at the bottom you want to take out. And then basically once you get those screws out, then the whole brake light assembly will come off. This is also what you would do if you need to change out this whole assembly. Then when you come here, you'll have your power harness. Just unplug it like that, pretty simple. And then if you look on this piece, you'll have about 3 screws that you'll want to take out. One here, one here. Then you'll have one up top here that you'll be taking out. Those also take a Phillips head screwdriver pretty much. So yeah, you'll just basically like I said, take those screws out. And like I said, it's also what you would do to change out your whole brake light assembly pretty much, in case it got cracked or something like that. And once you get those 3 screws out, then this whole piece will come up like that. And right here will be your bulbs. You'll have, of course, one to be your brake light, one to be your turn signal. You'll have another bulb too, maybe just like a backup light or something like that pretty much. But it just unplugs just like that pretty much. They unplug. We're just doing this on this vehicle because these lights are going to be changed out, but you always want to make sure that when you're taking out your light bulbs that you use gloves when you're touching on your bulbs, because the greases from your hand can get onto your bulbs and it'll shorten the life of your bulbs itself. So it's a pretty simple thing. Like I said, you just unplug them out. Let me get a zoom in on it so you can see in case you want to go ahead and order them before you took it out. Close up, you may not be able to see that, but most time if you go to like your Napas or rallies or something like that, tell them what you need. It'll be pretty simple. Once you do that, basically you're just going to want to go ahead and plug it back in pretty much to the back. Go ahead and put your screws back into it, basically reverse process. Go ahead and plug back up your power harness, and pretty much you'll be good. And when you're putting it back on, you'll see these pieces right here. You'll have 2 of them, one here and one here. And if you look on your vehicle, you'll have 2 spots, one right here. This one's kind of missing right here, but you'll just basically plug them 2 pieces right into there. Go ahead on and put your 2 Phillips head screws back in, which basically go right here, and one's going to be down at the bottom down there, and pretty much you'll be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your brake lights as well as turn signal on a GMC Envoy, and it should be the same from about the 2002 to the 2009. Alright folks, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.